How to fix Jasper Additional Charge issue. Notice an additional charge on your account this month. There are two main reasons why you may be seeing an additional cost. Note, your monthly subscription renews on the same day each month. To check what day, check out your billing tab in the Jasper app. Credit overages. All plans have monthly limits on the number of words Jasper can generate. Inside your billing section of the app, customers have the option to choose what happens when they go over their credit limit. If your app has selected upgrade account to the next tier, cheaper per word, that is the reason you have accumulated overage charges. Jasper will not be able to refund overage charges at this time. If you continue to use credits over your initially selected plan throughout the month, the app will continue to upgrade you so you can continue writing content with Jasper. Then when your billing cycle renews, you will be charged in full for your new subscription at that current credit level you operated in the month prior. Learn more about your specific plan's overages here, overages on starter plan, overages on boss mode, what to do. Though Jasper does not refund overage charges, their team can help you get back on the plan you are looking to be on. First, Jasper suggests changing the setting in your app to do nothing and wait for my billing cycle to reset and clicking save. After changing that setting, you can click edit plan and adjust credits back down to the plan you want. That will refresh the credits in your app, and your plan will not automatically upgrade based on the credits you are using. The system will also automatically credit you back that higher subscriptions difference. Adding team member. If you purchased a plan before November 22, 2021, you're likely operating on an older model. If this is the case, adding team members to your boss mode plan will cost an additional charge per team member per month. Depending on when you added this team member during your billing cycle, Jasper will prorate you for that team member to complete the current billing cycle you are in. Meaning if your billing cycle renews on the 2nd each month and you added a new team member on the 29th of the month, we will only charge you for the 29th, upcoming 2nd. Then on your next billing cycle, you will be charged in full for that additional team member. Still got questions? No problem. Send Jasper a message at hey@jasper.ai.